Tall Man Clan, welcome back. Today we are at Mesa, Arizona, just outside of Phoenix. We are at... Hey there, Tall Man Clan, welcome back. Today we are in Mesa, Arizona, just outside Phoenix. We are at Blue Compass, formerly known as Tom's Camperland. They have joined the Blue Compass family. We're looking at a Paradigm. This is made by Alliance. This is the 295 MK. Let's take a look. All right, so as you come up to the front here, you see there's gigantic storage from a height standpoint. The reason is because this has a drop frame, which we'll show you in a second, but it's also wide body construction, so it's 100 inches wide, so you're getting a little more width as well. I love how they have it all finished off. There's an access door over there to get to like mechanicals and things that are hidden back there, okay? Drop down here and we'll show you the drop frame. You notice that steel beam right there? See how much lower it is than everything else? That's what's called a drop frame. It's welded beneath the normal height I-beam that gives you the ability to have extra storage up here in the front. Behind this door is your 30-pound propane tank. This has a 6-point hydraulic level up system. As you look up, there are two awnings, one that goes from the very front just to the other side of the door, and then one that's on this slide that covers that. So you have full coverage with the slides. A nice Lippert solid step with this extra extension handle. Love that extension handle, Lisa. As we walk around to the back, you are pre-wired for backup camera. You can see there's a ladder there mounted so you can get up to the roof, and there's a utility hitch for carrying extra stuff. As we come around here, it's probably hard to see. Maybe you can kind of scooch up in there. There's a little storage tube for your stinky slinky. Moving up a little bit further forward here. Here is where your sewer connection is. A little bit further forward, you have the other side of that big storage, but it's also your water bay and your pulls for your tanks are right there as well. All right, you see there's instructions on how to use the level up system right there. However, the level up system controller is right here. So you're right with your truck when that's happening, which is great. Let's not forget you do have a second 30-pound propane tank. Okay, let's go ahead and get our numbers here. So this has a gross vehicle weight of 15,000 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,898 pounds. Let's just call that 2,900, shall we? All right, so let's come around to the front. This is sort of your big utility bay. All right, this is where your batteries are kept. Your power switch for the batteries are up here. If you want a generator, it goes in here, and just some other electrical components. That's why I call it a utility bay. This is where I put all my hoses and stuff, right? This would be where all that is. And then you do have a Kurt Rotoflex pin box. All right, so that's it for the outside. Let's go look on the inside. All right, so here we are. We're in sort of the living, kitchen, dining area. You have opposing slides, so it's nice and spacious. I would call this a really nice couples fifth wheel. Lisa, what do you think?
Yeah, I agree. I like it.
All right, so you sort of have opposing love seat sofa sort of things, right? But these are actually your recliners. Now they're all electric, so I can't move it out, but this is also, you can push this down, you got a couple cup holders, little armrest and stuff, so this is more of a recliner than it is a sofa. Over here though, it's 3 seats, but it's really, it's a love seat. I mean, at my height, I can't quite fit on it this way. I mean, I could curl up in a ball, but okay. If you didn't know, if you're joining our channel for the first time, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around. You do have some end tables here with storage underneath, which I love. There is power in USB down there towards the ground, Lisa. Okay.
There we go.
This does convert into be a bed. Above, there's a couple shelves there, which are nice.
Yeah.
And then a couple of cabinets left and right. All right. You do have day shades and night shades, which I just can't get to the night shade right now. Oh, there it is. You can see it right here. So there's your night shade. Day shade allows you to block people from seeing in during the day, but you can see out. And then the night shade, of course, gives you full privacy. When we were sitting here directly across from this is your entertainment center. That is a really big TV, Lisa.
It is. Look at that.
It's at least 50, if not a little bit bigger.
Very nice.
Audio system built in. Huge, huge fireplace. And as you can see, pull hidden storage. Okay, so let's do that. Look at that.
Love that.
You could hide a small child back there.
Yeah, you could.
Hide. Now there's some cabinetry up above here as well for storage. This is a full pass-through. Okay. By the way, speaking of cabinets, and as we get into the kitchen, you see the cabinet color changes.
It does. So yeah, we've got the nice color going on over here, like you were talking about. Plenty of storage.
Ivory-ish kind of color.
And look, there's a little coffee bar right underneath it
Nice.
with power. Yeah, storage drawers underneath that. And then moving on along, we have a nice pantry.
Yeah, oh, let's give it the test, Lisa.
All
Shall we
right.
give it the test?
Give it the test.
We call it the knock test. All right, those are absolutely paper thin. However, it's so skinny. You see there's only 2, right? This is so skinny. You should be fine. If that was any bigger, you'd have to put some more wood in there to keep it from bowing.
And then we have a Norcold refrigerator.
That is one of the biggest refrigerators I've seen, I think, in an RV.
Yeah, it's pretty big, pretty big.
Forget
So
the freezer down there. Sorry, no, we're just going through. You don't have to open it, but we have obviously it's a drawer pull out. It's pretty swanky.
Very nice. Across from all that, we have this nice island that is solid surface. We have a large single basin sink with a tall faucet underneath.
Oh, nice big storage under there.
We have huge storage.
You could put your garbage under there.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we've got 3 nice drawers. Now, continuing on this direction, we have our residential stove. Look at that, nice 4-burner
Nice.
stove with an oven.
Big oven.
Right? Storage on each side and above. So let's see the rest of the storage there. And this is reinforced drawers.
Nice.
And then storage above.
Nice.
Right?
Yep, and then let's not forget the residential microwave.
Oh, yeah.
Can't forget the microwave.
And I believe that is actual real tile.
Yep, it is. Look at
Yeah,
that.
very nice.
Price point, by the way, MSRP, $113, on sale for $99,980. Now let's just call that $100. All right, as we move forward, pet friendly, easy to clean. You can put some storage under there. Oh, we can't go up there yet. I haven't done the dinette.
Look
right?
at that. Nice
Ni-
little, yeah,
Yep.
nice table and chairs.
Nice table, chairs, seats 4. Obviously, there's 2 more chairs hidden somewhere. I don't know why they couldn't be out here, because, well, I don't know. I would think they could be out there.
I would think so.
Yeah, all right. As you walk in the door, by the way, as you can see, there's your command center, your controls, right? Open up the slides and your lights and things are all right there. And as we come up here, oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
If you're jumping around the video, again, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference. While I'm on this toilet at my height, it is a porcelain foot flush, and as you can see, there is plenty of room here. This is a very interesting bathroom design, Lisa. There's a sort of a pocket or barn-style door here. There's also a barn-style door here, and so it's a tiny bathroom, but it feels much bigger than it actually is because of how the doors are opening up right now. Okay. Just to my left, it's an epoxy countertop under countermount sink, which is stainless. There's a little bit of storage down there. You can put your little garbage can down there. And then you see there's your medicine cabinet up here. I can see from here down. I mean, I could back up a little bit and see a little bit better, obviously. Okay. There you go, so for storing your drugs. And, well, I guess you're going to have to put towels there because it's the only place to put towels here in the bathroom.
Yeah, I would agree.
Yeah, it's a bit weird. All right, so let's get in the shower. At my height of 6'4", there's no problems. I don't even have to be in the bubble. Love it. If I'm in the bubble, 7 foot tall. Another 8 inches above my head. So you can be 7 foot tall. I love this shower head, Lisa, because it's adjustable.
Right.
I can raise it up a little bit, and so
That's
look at
awesome.
that.
Yeah.
Isn't that great?
Yep.
Plenty of room in here, guys. This is a night. Actually, you could probably put 2 people in here.
Probably could.
Right, there's a little bench here in the back.
Yeah.
You want to take a break while you're in here. There's a shelf up front for storing things. So, yeah, nice shower. I'd rather see a retractable door, but, you know, I guess at a certain price point, they just start putting glass in because it's more elegant. Okay. Then we get into the master. And so, again, the bed's on a slide, and so that gives you a little bit more room up here. All right, so let's climb on the bed to show you guys. Again, this bed's pretty big. I'm going to go another RV King. Right, so even if you're curled up, there's obviously plenty of room for 2. I will measure it for you guys, but we're going RV King. All right, so let's get our width. We are 72 by 80. Yep. So you got a couple little nightstands to the left and the right where there's power. Okay, so you can see USB and 110 power. I didn't point out, but I love the little sort of padded headboard back there. right? Your valances and things.
Right, very nice.
Okay. Of course, there's a sign that says Serta king size, but it's an RV king. Right across from the bed, you got a TV, 6 drawers. Pretty nice, right there. You also have some hidden storage up here.
Oh, we sure do. Look
Yep.
at that. Love hidden storage.
Yep. I saw a little sign as we were coming in here. It said shoe storage, which I'm not sure where it's it's
Right there
under here.
underneath, yeah.
So, you just kick your shoes off and slide them underneath there, which is kind of nice.
Very convenient.
It is. There's a little bench here too, which folds up. But you don't want to sit there and put your shoes on or whatever. Up here in the front, you can put a washer dryer left and right. One's on one side, one's on the other, and it would eat into your closet a little bit. But it's a decent sized closet, Lisa.
Yeah, it is.
Whether you're using it fully as a closet or even just putting a washer dryer in there. Yeah, love it.
Yeah, very nice.
$295 MK.
Yeah.
By Alliance, the Paradigm. Yeah, let us know your thoughts of this. We think this is a really nice couple's fifth wheel, guys. Not too big, not too small, right? Yeah, it might be a little pricey, right? At 100K, I'd be thinking more 75-ish, but these days, 100K seems to be about the thing for something decent, right? So guys, if this is your first time finding our channel, you know what to do, right? Big thumbs up, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. Costs you nothing, and it really does help out the channel. We appreciate it from the bottom of our heart. As far as the Tall Man Clan goes, God bless you guys. Again, we really do love you. Until we see you all on the road again, be safe.